Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Alright, so before I jump into today's video, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for 300 subscribers. It means a lot. I really never thought I always hoped we'd get to this number, but I, didn't really think it would actually happen, but, we hit it. Let's go on to 500 and beyond. So if you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button. There hasn't been a whole lot going on here just because I've been really busy, but this week we actually don't have school because of COVID. And so yeah, I got this box in the mail today. It's a very small box, as you can see by my hand. There's supposed to be 2 models in this box, just to kind of show you how small it is. This is an NG models box, and it looks giant compared to this, and there's supposed to be 2 models in here. So we'll see. As you can see, I got my name all scratched out so the Russians can't track me. But yeah, I'll just open this box up and we'll take a look at what's inside. Super excited for these models. As you can see, I do have the box open. This box was coming from the Midwest Model Store. So first ever order with them. First heard about them from Red River Aviation. Actually did win a model from them in that giveaway. So yeah, so far so good. As you can see, there are the models. Midwest Model Store. And yeah, very, very, very tightly packed in here. We have the models. Now there are 2 of these, the United 737-900 in the new livery. It's good to get them in the new livery. I was actually really hoping they'd be in the old livery, but I'll just take a couple when the old livery comes out. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'll jump back to you guys when I get these out of the box. I would say maybe in the future they should probably think about maybe getting bigger boxes. I know that it might be a little more efficient, but when the box of the airplane is right against the cardboard, if it gets hit or anything, there's no like paper or anything like absorbing the impact. It's just going straight to the cradle and to the model. So having small boxes like this might lead to more broken models for the Midwest Model Store, but I mean, I guess whatever works for you. As long as these aren't broken, it looks like it'll be fine. But anyway, very nice box design. It almost looks like comic books or something over here, which I don't really read, but it does look like comic book, like font or something. Imagine these are gonna look very nice. I actually have, well actually no, that's not true. I do have the Alaska 737-900 from NG. I ordered the Delta one back in September along with a bunch of other ones from RM Model Store. They haven't been shipped yet, but hopefully we'll get them soon. There has, I think, another order from RM just got shipped, so that'll be nice. And yeah, so let's take this one out of the box. We'll see what we got, and then we'll take a look at the other one. Hopefully they're the same. See, I have the model out of the box, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it. And so yeah, it looks pretty nice. As you can see, first impressions for me as well. It almost looks like they struggled a bit with the nose area, kind of like Gemini Jets does sometimes when you don't get the cockpit exactly centered. I think it's just a really easy mistake to make with these 737s. But if you can nail the nose placement with the windows, the models do look very nice. This one looks like they could have done maybe a little bit better job, but all in all, it's better than what Gemini is putting out right now for the 737s by far. So I really can't complain there. Model does look good, paint and everything. The winglets, this is the biggest thing that Gemini does, that bugs me, is that the wings, they can't get the wing flex correct. They should just be out like that. But Geminis, they're all flapping like a bird or a seagull or something, so I don't really like it when they do that. I'm not sure, probably someone who's smarter than me could tell me, are the Wi-Fi boxes supposed to be gray? Like they're white over here and then they're gray up top, so that could be on purpose. I'm not really sure. Well, it would be kind of weird if that was how it's supposed to be in real life, but again, I don't really know. So if one of you guys do, let me know. It looks like, let's see, from the box, I don't know, it looks somewhat gray, but again, I can't really tell. So there you go. But yeah, so yeah, pretty good model. looking at the bottom now, that's not really much to see, as you can tell. And yeah, I'm glad to get this model. You can never have too many United 737s if you have a United hub. That's why I got two. I'm probably gonna go for the old school Continental livery. That one just got released, so let's take a look at the other one, just make sure there's no issues there. I was about to open that next box, but I always, whenever I get duplicate models, I put a 1 or a 2 on the inside of this little panel right here. And when I looked in here, there's this thing from NG Models, which says, as you can read it, "Dear collectors, thank you for choosing NG Models. In order to offer more benefits to our collectors, we have launched a new program called CRP, Collectors Rewards Plan, starting January 2022. This card will come with each box of our new products. Scratch off the layer and enter the code on our website to earn scores. Registered on ngmodels.com first. The scores can be used to exchange for corresponding benefits in the future, including but not limited to free models, participating in production plans, arrangements, molds, creating and updating, etc. Welcome to the new journey of collecting hobby." So, to the new journey. So obviously they're based in China, so maybe it's a little bit rough to read, but it sounds like that they're gonna start some sort of rewards plan. As you can see, there's that, which I guess you scan, so that's really cool. Something interesting. We'll see if anyone else follows suit. But NG Models are kind of notorious for their prices. They're pretty high, but their models are good. It's actually caused Gemini Jets to think that they can raise their prices when their models are still not where they need to be. But that's beside the point. Very cool for there, and I guess we'll see what the future holds for that. I found that very interesting. Looking at the second model here, you can see that it is flawless as well. I actually think, yeah, they're about the same. From the front, the cockpit looks just fine. It's just from the side angle, it looks a little bit off, as you can see there. But yeah, super nice model. Really glad NG Models released it. I would like to get at least 1 or 2 737-900s in the old livery. That would be really nice. I do have 2 of the old Gemini Jets, United 737-900ER. I also have a Continental 737-900ER that I got off eBay, who someone just updated the title so it says United as well. Actually, it's right here. So that is actually a Continental 737-900ER. It just has the United decal on it, as you can tell. They did a great job. So I picked that one up for like $35 a couple years ago. And yeah, so now I have these 2 guys, so that brings the total up to 5. I'm gonna go for the Continental Retro, which will be 6. And then I'd love to get at least 1 of the old colors ones. So yeah. Hey guys, there you have the United 737-900ERs by NG Models with the split scimitars and the new livery. That is awesome. I really am happy to get these models. Use the Midwest Model Store, give them some love. They're located just up the road from me in Indiana, so that's very nice of them. Again, the second one did come with this card as well, so that's very exciting. And yeah, hopefully I'm going to get another MK International Airport update video out. I know you guys have been just seeing those primarily, but it's just the best I can do at the moment. Please stay patient with me. Hopefully come summer we'll be getting some more videos out. But yeah, that's going to do it for me. I have a lot of models still on the way. I order a bunch and they never seem to come, so hopefully we can get some more of them in. I'll maybe do some unboxing videos and stuff. And yeah, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.